Need to update your name on Instagram? It's a quick and easy process. Follow along as I show you how to do it in just a few steps. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on Account Center at the top of the menu. Select Profiles and Personal Details. Tap on your Instagram profile. Select Name. Here, delete your old name and type in your new one. Keep in mind that you can only change your name twice within 14 days. Once you're happy with it, tap Save. And that's it. Your name has been updated successfully. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.